Okay, sweet. Um, all right.
I'm
Let me
assuming,
open up. Do you
did
guys
you
have
guys all
SPSS?
use this PSS?
I'm going. Yeah, I have to open it though.
I only asked that. Well, I tried to do the pie chart for the class rank in Excel, and it never seemed to work.
Oh, really?
That was, yeah, I figured I'd ask to see if anyone else tried it. I did it in SPSS, and it worked fine.
Which question
Yeah.
was that?
6.
Yeah, I was not wanting to buy SPSS, so I tried to use Excel at the time, and I couldn't get it to work either.
Yeah, it seems it's weird.
It was weird for some reason.
Yeah, like it wouldn't come up. It'd blank, or it would just come up with like junior, 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 junior instead of actually doing what you're asking it to do.
That's
Yeah.
annoying.
Yeah, it's all good. So yeah, I mean 6 and 7 we're just making your charts.
Right.
8 is 5 descriptors to describe the data.
Oh yeah.
Depends on your chart, which I made all those charts in SPSS to save it when I go back to my regular desktop.
All right. Do you guys just want to start on the homework? Not the
Yeah.
homework, the classwork.
Yeah.
Get that done, and then we can talk.
Yeah. This wasn't too difficult for me since I'm obviously the one that struggles with it the most. I think we can go to the homework.
Like the quiz, or
Yeah, the quiz.
The group quiz, I mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
Down to that. We got to discuss our group project at the end too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. Some of these are just. I mean, we'll have to use SPSS, obviously, but.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull up the section. Actually, I don't think we will. We have to use the probability app, though.
Yeah, we'll just need the applet. So 3, I got each slice represents category and the area of each slice represents the proportion.
Yep.
4 is the super long answer.
Right.
Where the Pareto chart is largest to smallest, that one.
Yep.
Yeah.
5 is the true proportion.
And p hat is the sample, right?
Yep.
Okay.
N is the sample size.
Smallest So what formula are we using with number 7?
That's what I was looking at. But
I'm thinking it's the. Well, it's either the NP is greater than or equal to 10, and then you just plug in the P, I'm guessing.
Oh, so whichever one of those. Yeah.
So 10 divided by 0.25. So yeah, then your N has to be 40, I assume.
Whichever one is the larger of the two, so you have to do both numbers. So now you have to do the same thing for n times 1 minus p. It's very rarely larger, but it can be.
Okay.
So this ends up 10 divided by 0.75.
yeah, which would be
Smaller, so it doesn't matter.
13
Yeah.
and a third.
So it's 40 is the smallest n. Because you have to satisfy both rules.
okay. And then what is the mean of P? How do you say that? P hat?
Yeah.
So you would use the formula square root of P times 1 minus P over N?
P hat's just. Wait. Yeah, you would use that one. Okay.
P.
What?
Wait, so the mean is just. What is the mean? How do you figure out the mean then? Isn't it just the 0.4, or am I totally not thinking hard enough on that one?
You have a good point because I think the square root formula is to find the standard deviation. So
I'm just kind of looking at the summary, and I was like, might
yeah.
could be wrong. I think that's it though.
What is the mean of the sampling distribution? Yeah. The mean is just P.
Yeah.
So it should be 0.4. And we were solving for standard deviation.
Which we have to do anyways. So
Yeah.
equals 0.1?
Yeah.
What do I got? Yep.
To determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits in the next 100 at-bats. I'm confused, because in 10, wouldn't it just be 0.3?
So, yeah.
So why is she asked for round to 2 decimal places?
I'll just put 0.30. Or round to to 2 decimal places for 10 through 13.
No, because 11's 3 and 12 is 3.
Is it 0.35? Because 35, if she would get 35 in 100, then it'd be 0.35.
Okay, but why is her P
Yeah.
Why is her P different then?
The P was what her true batting average is, I guess. And then it's wanting to know what were her sample, or what the sample would have to be.
Okay, so when we're solving for standard deviation of P hat, are we using 0.3 or 0.35?
0.35 in this instance.
That is a good question.
I would think. Because it says we want to determine the probability she'll get more than 35 hits.
But what I have written with the equation is it's
Yeah, 0.3.
it's always the true population proportion.
Yeah, so you'd use the 0.3 in the standard deviation, and then I think once it asks us, like in 13, what's the probability, then we use the applet to find the z-score, and then we know what the probability would be.
Okay. So 100 at bats. What do you end up getting for the standard deviation?
0.046.
Okay, that's what I got.
What'd you get?
0.046.
Okay. I heard something different. Yeah, that's what I got.
It's at least.
Z-score.
So if it's at least 35, is this only the greater than tail?
I believe so. I don't think, as long as you just use one tail, it should give you the right probability.
Well, I mean, I'm putting in the. So how are you putting it in to find the z-score?
So to find the z-score, you put in, or you do the formula, the p half minus p divided by your standard deviation.
P half?
Yeah. So
What formula is that?
if you're in the reading and you go to the very bottom, that's the quickest way I can direct you to it.
Okay, let me open
the remember box.
Let's see. UA stats.
What's the quickest way to the applet? Probably the last test.
I think so.
Yeah.
I'm still not seeing a p half equation.
P hat.
Hat, yeah. Sorry.
Oh. I was like, what?
P, carrot key, roof.
Okay.
I thought you said P half too for a little while, and then yeah.
I think I was saying it because I thought originally, like, Tanner called it P half, so I was kind of going off of what I heard. He probably said P hat, and I just misheard it. So I was like, okay, sorry.
And the bottom is just the standard deviation, isn't it?
Yeah, just that yeah, the 0.046 that we did.
Okay.
For the area, wait, the z-score's just the 0.046?
No.
No,
Yep.
0.046, that's our standard deviation. But when
Yeah.
you're finding the z-score, that'll be the bottom part of your fraction, and the top is p hat minus p.
Oh, okay. So 0.35 minus 0.3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Grant, did you end up getting 1.087?
Yeah. Well, did you round?
Yeah, because it was 869.
Well, did you use the .046 or did you use like the whole number?
I used 0.046. What do you get when you use the whole number?
I got 1.091.
That's when you use the whole, whatever the heck it was.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it again just in case. Well, because I typed out all the numbers that I could see on my calculator instead of
Yeah.
calculation again, so it was kind of rounded.
Do you guys mind walking me through how you figured that one out really fast?
Yeah. So I'll go back to 11.
Okay. Yeah, I
So,
figured out how to do that one. So I've got,
okay.
yeah, I've got the 0.046 up.
So then the only thing that you'll do do to find the z-score on the top, you'll put p hat minus p divided by your 0.046. So the 0.35 is the p hat, and then your p is the 0.3.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. Thank you.
Yeah, it's just, a lot of it seems like it's similar from what we've been doing. It's just once again they're changing the variables on this.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, Grant, when I carry the numbers, I get the same thing you did.
Okay. So 1.091 for the z-score.
Yeah. Where's my applet?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So then your probability, once you did one of the tails, then it's 0.138.
Yeah.
I mean, I chose the tail to the right just because that would be increasing her.
Yeah, that's what I did.
And that's for number 13 then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because then you put your z-score in, and then you take one tail of it, and then it'll give you the probability of that happening. She
Okay.
doesn't have a very good chance to increase her batting average.
I don't know, with how bad your percentage of hitting is to begin with in baseball, 14% probably isn't
Yes.
terrible.
Yeah, I guess that's a good way to look at it.
If you're only hitting 30% to begin with,
I know, it's crazy because like a good batting average in the major leagues is like over 300,
yeah.
and that's like an F in real life.
Yeah. All
Good
right.
job.
14.
Hey, what time do you guys want to come over tonight?
Once I'm done with this class,
What time?
20 minutes. uh,
got 0.011.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Give me a second.
Hmm.
Yep, got that.
0.011. Yep.
Okay. And then the Z-score.
So P hat is
Yeah, how are we solving this one?
I know everything except the P hat.
I'm thinking it's 50%, but
Oh, because if he gets lower than 50, he loses. You're right on that.
Yeah.
0.50 minus 0.52 divided by 0.1117.
Answer.
That makes sense.
Plus, it's the only other number given in the
Yeah.
question.
So for Z-score, you guys got negative 1.818.
I got negative 1.790.
That's what I got.
I carried all the decimals. I didn't use .011. I used the actual.
Oh, you did.
Yeah. That's what's nice about having a graphing calculator.
Yeah. So what did you? Which one should we do then?
So I put negative 1.790.
Okay.
What probability do you compute? So if we're trying to find out if he's going to lose, it's less than or equal to?
Yes. So
Plus that fact that's given by the fact that you get a negative z-score also, right?
correct. I believe so. That's from what I understand. This privilege will show losing even though. So 0.034.
I have 0.037.
Yeah,
Oh,
I did too.
yeah, I think you're
0.037.
right. I think I just totally read that wrong.
Wait, for number, sorry to go back, but for number 16, did you guys pick A for that one?
I picked z is less than z
Z is less than Z.
because it's
Like,
we're wanting to know the probability that he loses.
It
Right.
might be reversed, like the caret key instead of like A and B for.
oh, so it's the little Z is less than the big Z, right?
What'd you put, Grant?
Well, I put the caret key, the caret eating the bigger Z.
Okay.
Okay,
Sorry,
cool.
eating the little Z.
That's what I had put.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
So capital Z is less than or equal to Z.
Yeah, that was what I had.
Okay.
Yeah. So the mouth is open to the right.
Okay.
I don't like how it's big Z and little z.
Yeah, it doesn't help us.
Oh, I submitted it and we got an 89.
What'd we miss?
So 15 is wrong. Well, what Z-score did you... Oh, yeah, I didn't correct my Z-score, dang it.
You didn't go to negative 1.79?
So I put negative 1.818. I redid it on my calculator, but I didn't put it into the assignment. And then number 12, I put 0.725.
What?
What did you have for 12?
1.091.
Yeah, I messed up. I must have put the area. Anyways, you guys will get 100.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, I don't really care.
I just got some in anyways.
So,
I'm like, they don't
Sweet.
really do much to our grade anyways.
not at all. It's all the tests. So.
Hey, I need every single point.
Anyways, thanks you guys.
Oh, wait, we need to do the group thing.
Oh, crap, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, if you guys don't care, I'll take design the study.
Yeah, that's fine.
I totally care.
You do.
No.
But I need to know what each other person's doing for the different sections because it's part of the design the study.
Let me go to the room.
So, where group projects?
So we all do collect the data, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a candy one, and we just need candies with different colors. Does anyone have a favorite or something that they want?
Let's just do Skittles.
Because that was Skittles is what I had.
Yeah, or M&M's.
Let's do Skittles, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Skittles it is.
Okay, and my research question that I came up with, I started it a little, was are the distributions of colors between the snack size Skittles bags and the party size bags equal?
Interesting question.
So basically, we're just gonna have to separate out the colors.
Okay.
I've done one just like this before. It's not hard to interpret or anything. Was why I picked it.
So it's the party versus the regular size or whatever?
Yeah, and I'll send you, when I finish it and get it approved, I'll send you guys a copy of the design the study.
Okay.
So I'll describe the data.
Okay.
Should I do the PowerPoint, maybe?
Yeah, go for it.
That's fine. We just have one extra, so we're gonna have to split between a couple of us.
Okay.
I can
You're gonna
do.
take the PowerPoint. Let's see.
I can do the make the inference. Well, the inference and action will kind of go together, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're
Okay,
split
friends,
up
take action.
on what we sign up for.
Wait, on like the final project, the inference and take action are in the same section.
Okay, I'll put Grant on both of them for now then ask her about it.
Okay.
And she gives us rubrics. If you look on the where we week 1 through 12, at the bottom it says group project, and you can find your rubric according to what you signed up for.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I've been filling out
Oh, okay, cool.
for design the study. Yeah,
Sweet.
I just needed your guys' names to everything. And since we're not a real class, I signed for all you guys.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Electronic signature.
Oh.
Okay,
Cool.
so I got all those down then.
Sounds good. And then we'll just email back and forth throughout the week then. I
Yeah,
probably won't be able to touch this until Wednesday or Thursday.
Well, that's fine. This first one, I'll get. This first week is the stuff I have to turn in.
Okay.
And then the second week, we all have to do the Skittles part. And then the third week will be Steven, fourth will be Grant, and then fifth will be Maria.
Sweet.
Awesome.
And then we fill out a group evaluation of each other and say, we're the best group ever.
Yay.
Yeah. And we all work together, so it's all good.
Yeah, you really helped me out. I appreciate it.
Yeah. So,
And this is 10% of our grade, so
holy crap.
let's get the easy points, right?
Yeah.
Seriously. Yeah. So,
Cool.
awesome.
Oh,
Thanks, you guys. Yeah.
Fast on Thursday. Is it okay if we just like bust through the meeting really quickly? Because of I have something at 7 o'clock. So.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. It's fine with me. I already did the assignment, so.
Oh.
Sounds good to me.
Okay then, cool. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. We can do it in like 10, 20 minutes. So.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
All right. Sounds good. See you guys. Thanks.
All right.